Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. This is going to be Season 4. Just purchased this awesome fixer-upper that I am going to give you a walkthrough today and show you what I'm working with and tell you a little bit about each project that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to start with the living room here. Everything's going to get torn out, the wood paneling, the carpet, and pretty much everything you see will be redone to some extent. This is the first time trying something like this. I've never purchased a fixer-upper. I've never flipped a house. I really don't know exactly what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go at it really optimistically and try everything out, but see if there's any lights, and there's not, but that's okay. We need some lights. Maybe the other switch over here will turn it on. I don't know, but anyway, so I'm not really sure when you're gonna be watching this. Could be a month from now, could be a year from now. All I know is I'm going to take this one room at a time, do it strategically as best I can, because I'm going to be living in here while I remodel it some way or another. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but one of the major selling points of this house for me was the fact that it has AC on the first floor. Not the second floor, just the first floor, but that'll be fine because by the time I'm done with the living room, it'll probably be fall, maybe winter. I really don't know how long this is going to take me, but they left me some tapes for entertainment. I don't have any internet here. Just, yeah, basic power and a VCR. So that's going to have to hold me over. But anyway, that's the living room, and it slowly transitions into the kitchen. Wallpaper's already fallen off, so that's a good sign. That'll be easy to remove. And check the lights in here as well. Yeah, it doesn't work in here either. There is power, just maybe something wrong with the fixtures. I don't really know. So this is a built-in oven that does not work. The power works, but not the gas. I'm guessing it's turned off because the stovetop doesn't work either. None of the burners in the front turn on. I get a little bit of gas coming out of the back burners. I'm not really sure, but that's gonna go. Let's see if this has any power. Yeah, okay, so we got a light. No fan, but has a light, so that's cool. I might be able to reuse the power there, but lots of leaks going on in the kitchen sink here, and that's gonna go anyway. But otherwise, cabinets are looking okay. I might just repaint them. I'm not really sure. Already got some water and some Gatorade. I'm ready to rock. But that's the kitchen. There's a door back there, huge crack in the side of it, so that's gonna need fixed. But this is the laundry room. There's a really large closet here that takes up a lot of space. It's not really easy to walk by, so that might get removed. Anyway, this is the bathroom, and if you're wondering if every room in this house is carpet, yeah, carpet in every single room. But I guess that was a thing back in, I'm guessing the 70s, which is 70s or maybe early 80s. This is the last time this was remodeled, but definitely needs new grout, new caulking, new tiles, new everything. This feature is pretty cool. I honestly like this. Might have to save this somehow, but the tiles are plastic and they're all breaking, so I'm gonna have to address that at some point. Anyways, that is the bathroom. A lot of work to be done there, and this is the entrance to the basement. Really weird placement, but you know, I guess whatever works. And the flow of the house is a little off, which you'll see definitely in the second floor, but there's not too much I need to do down here. I think the only time I'll have you down here is, you know, doing something with the, I don't know, maybe some electric down here. I don't know, this used to be a coal chute back here. They used to dump coal back when this was a coal-burning house. One of the pros of living in the northeastern side of the U.S. is plenty of coal. So one thing I definitely have to address is this is against code here. You can't have an electric panel this close to your hot water heater. So one of them has to move. I'm not sure which one is going to be easier. Probably the electrical panel. I'm not going to lie. That'll probably be easier. And so half the house is basement. The other half is crawl space. I'm really hoping I don't have to crawl back there anytime soon because it is dark, it is damp, and there's no light. So if I can avoid that, that'd be awesome, but you never know. Alright, well, let's go back upstairs. So, a major selling point to this house is it actually has a one-car garage in the back, which I'm really excited about because this will be the first time I actually have a proper workspace to do some woodworking in. As you guys know, the first few seasons of this channel, I've just worked out of a basement, and it's never really been an ideal spot to do any amount of woodworking where there's any amount of dust, because there's just no way to clear it all out and filter it. It just kind of sucks. So I'm hoping that I can stick around for a little bit. There's no power going to the garage right now, so I'm probably going to have to put a service panel in, or sub panel, whatever you want to call it. And but still really glad that it has a place for me to do my woodworking once I finally finish this project. So the here at the second floor, this is the only vent for the AC. The whole house has baseboard heaters, but there's central air for the AC. This is one of the bedrooms. Some nice exposed wire here. So the vent back there is definitely not going to service any of this. So there's a really old window unit back there, and then so this is as you can see, there's only 2 bedrooms up here. So the ad said 4 bedrooms. So you're thinking, well, where's the other 2? You go up the stairs, you go to that one. Where's the other one? So there's only 2 that you see at first, but then when you start walking around, you notice, oh, there's kind of a door back here. What is this? So at some point they had converted this to maybe a duplex. Grandma lived back here, and this was the kitchen, and then the parents lived in the other rooms. I have no idea, but yeah, no, the lights just don't work in here. I have no idea what's going on. They're just really old fixtures, maybe. But yeah, it's really, really interesting layout up here. I'm guessing that it's going to be an easy conversion back to a single family home. Just a random toilet sitting back here, which was probably at one point a hallway. I have no idea. The light doesn't work, so what do I know? Anyway, so that is 3 of the bedrooms, and this is the last one. So this is the fanciest room of all, mainly because, as you can see, a functioning light. What do you know? And then pretty awesome carpet, and then a rotary phone, which doesn't work, but still pretty cool. So this is gonna be, I'm thinking, the second floor bathroom. It's the smallest bedroom of all 3 of them, or all 4 of them. So I think this one's gonna make a really nice bathroom, and the room adjacent to it is probably gonna be the master bedroom, since it'll have the closest access. Plus, it has a porch or a deck back here. I'm not really sure. I guess that's how you access the house if you did keep this a duplex. These locks just don't work. Original skeleton key. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so anyway, a lot of water damage out here. That's definitely going to be an issue. I'm not really sure how bad the damage is, but they were, yeah, they did not seal this off at all, so this is going to be a lot of work when I get to it. A nice junction there. As long as you tape it, you're good, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, that's going to need fixed, because that's definitely been wet before. I don't know what it's feeding. It's probably just the light, but a lot of damage back here, so this is going to need addressed at some point, and that'll be a fun project. Let's see, do we have any water? No. Well, that's alright. One less thing to worry about when I remove it. Alright, so yeah, that is the walkthrough of my fixer-upper that I might flip, might hang around for a while, who knows. But I hope you enjoyed this episode, and stay tuned, subscribe for more. I'm not sure how quickly I'll be able to get these episodes out one after another. I'm going to try to make some serious progress on each one of the rooms, or at least half, or maybe the first floor before I start publishing videos. That way it's not a insanely long wait in between each of the episodes. But thank you again for watching. See you next time.